Hey, it's your boy, Extraordinary Munchie, and you're watching, you know what I'm saying, another extraordinary reaction video from your boy. And we about to check out this extraordinary dance video. Okay, now I can't read this language right here. Y'all let me know if this is Arabic or if this is Kurdish. Yeah, because I don't know. But the person that uploaded this go by the name of Ashkan Shobani. I mean, sounds like a Kurdish name, but I don't know. Let's just get into this video. And please, just because I can't tell the difference, don't make a big deal of it. Just let me know which one it is. Okay? I didn't never put a label. Let's go. Oh, these Kurds. Easy. Go. Yo, that shoulder though. Hey. BZ, Kurdistan. Loving the colors. That black and purple on those girls. I like that. Ooh. Hey, we got a dress down. I like that. Oh, we got horses. Kurdish cavalry. I mean, this could be Syria, though, now that I think about it. But it's probably Syrian Kurds, because they look Kurdish. They look Kurdish as hell, you know what I'm saying? Zo, SHAZA, SHAZA, be okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Kurds in Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? My Syrians, and all my Iranians, you know what I'm saying? My Persians, you know what I'm saying? And my Turkish, you know what I'm saying? But this is definitely Kurdish music and dance, you know what I'm saying? I know when I see my Kurds, you know what I'm saying? They're not Syrians, they're not, yeah, they, like I said, they might be, sometimes I get it messed up with the location. They could be in Syria. I don't know where they really practice the fire things, but normally when I see them doing the fire things, I normally see them doing that in Syria. So I don't know if that's just something they do in Syria or if that's something they do in Kurdistan too. And like I said, I didn't say it don't, you know, that doesn't originate from Erbil, the capital of the autonomous state of Kurdistan. Okay, I was just saying. All right.